It's open today. We're gonna drive through Hoover Dam.
Parking is $10. A lot of people looking for parking at the first 3 floors. I just came straight to the top. That's how I do it. There's the Lakermobile. You ready to go check out this Hoover Dam business over here? All right, let's go. Come on. There's a walkway right here. Guess you could hike and stuff up there. And we're gonna see what can we see during these times, because it's limited. I know that the Transformers movie, it wasn't filmed out here, but according to the movie, it was filmed here, and the Transformers and the Autobots and the Decepticons had a nice little fight trying to get Megatron back up online. So that's what I remember when I watched this over here. Also, what was that movie? There's a movie that they film over there. I forgot. It's pretty cool. And there's a gift shop, so we're gonna go check that out. Super cool. What movie does that come out in, Angel? San Andreas. Wow, that looks so massive, guys. The other movie that I remember seeing that they filmed here was Fools Rush In. Look at that. Damn. Let's do an extreme close-up on that water. Whoa. Wow. That's so cool. Well, I've never been to Arizona. Shall we? Alright guys, here we go. I've never been to Arizona, so that's where we're heading. Oh wait, I lied. I have been to Arizona. We're in Arizona already. There's the time. Is the time change in Arizona versus Nevada? I don't know. Is there a time difference in Arizona and Nevada? Do you know? Huh? Is it the same hour? Because we just passed Nevada. This is Arizona. So here it is, guys. 1 hour?
Unless you didn't choose that time.
So cool. Finally made it. We tried to make it here sometime last year and we couldn't. Look at the water receding, and it's exposing part of the mountain that used to be underwater. Pretty cool. We're on the Natter side of the bridge. Looks unreal. A lot of cruising by. We saw a lot of little mini bikes just pass by. That was pretty cool. I thought the Hoover Dam was done, but right here we have a worker still working at it. Let's see. Oh, the sun. Let me go around. Press penny souvenir. We like collecting them. We're gonna get this one. I've never seen this before. Need a penny? Take one. And they're brand new. Awesome. 5 good jobs on this penny pest for the Hoover Dam. Oh, let's change it up. Yeah, we got the Hoover Dam going on. 76 cents. Your market set go. Look at what we have here. I guess these are the insects and bats that you find here in Arizona. This one right here is creepy. It's 20 bucks. Even if you grab them and you're kind of like scared of spiders, it kind of feels weird to grab these. You're feeling like you're gonna grab one. Not for me. What is that? Whoa. Crab? Now this souvenir is pretty cool. It's not as heavy as it looks. It looks like a piggy bank. $14. I like that one, but I think I'm looking for a magnet. Let's go look for a magnet. Really, this one's so tiny. $8. This is where we saw the big horn sheep. These are your magnets. Oh, that one looks cool.
Yeah, I want this one. I wish there was a better
How
one.
much is that one? $4. Cool.
Same as this, but this one feels so cheap. I don't know. But it has to.
Is there a different one, maybe? Oh, this one looks cool too.
Which one's that? It's like different sides.
Yeah. I don't know.
This is the inner side, and that's this the outer side.
I like how this one looks here, but I like the angle here. Either one, I guess. I saw some pins over here. $4. They're not that great. I was gonna get one because I'm a pin guy, but they're not that great.